I'm pretty hungry. Welcome back to another vlog. It is somehow August and I feel like we haven't done any summer activity. So the plan for today is to go to the beach and also Food Truck Fest. Matt and I have been going to Food Truck Festival. Actually, this would be I think it will be our third year going. I believe so. Last year, on our way to the Food Truck Festival, we stumbled across a beach that somehow we had no idea existed. So the plan for today is to have a beach day, and then our dinner is going to be Food Truck Festival. Much better. Can you imagine being this comfortable?
I can.
Yo, there's a seagull that's circling us. It keeps making eye contact with you. I think it's wanting to death. Well, like, it started it. It's calling its friends over. The seagull it's so close, Matt. It's so close. Matt, it's coming right for us. Oh my god. Matt, I don't think you understand. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Matt.
Move it away.
I don't want to make it angry.
Mommy, look how much seagulls are over there!
I could eat. Are you saying you want to go to the Food Truck Festival?
Thinking about it.
Let's go.
Why are your toes so long?
I want to see.
It's such a neat thing to say.
Oh my gosh, Matt.
You come here for dessert?
I was just about to say good morning, but it's actually the afternoon. You know how when you have a full day in the sun, how it really wipes you out? After Matt and my beach day yesterday, I just felt tired today when I woke up. I thought I would power up with this matcha latte, which the first time I tried it, it kind of freaked me out. I shook it, but I don't know if I was supposed to shake. Oh, it says shake well on it. Matcha oat latte. Ooh. I don't drink out of cans, so, oh! I was not expecting that. I was expecting it to be green. Does this have coffee in it? I'm a little worried now. Oh, that's actually really good. I thought I was gonna need to put like coffee creamer or something in it, but no. Tastes fine just the way it is. Because it's brown, and every other matcha latte I've ever had is vibrantly green, but this one's quite nice. Don't really taste the matcha, but I do enjoy it. Matt should be getting home from work soon, and we have tickets to Stockbana, which is a Caravana event that Matt and I have never attended before, so we don't really know much about it. It sounded really interesting, but I need to really just get ready. I am going to be sacrificing my Sunday because I've got to do all the fun summer activities while we still have summer, so. My hair did not want to look cute today. She was a little angry with me. I'm also worried because the sun is slowly creeping away and I'm worried it's going to rain. I hope that doesn't ruin our plans, but I'm just going to put my Grenada flag in my hair. See? Cute. Honestly, my hair, it probably looks better on camera than it does in real life, but that's fine. Honestly, sometimes being a curly haired queen is so much work, but whatever. I'm just gonna wear these hoops. I think they're cute. Matt should be home any moment now, so my outfit, just jean shorts and a crop top, so nothing too major. I really hope it doesn't rain. Man, I just got home and I had to have a shower. What a eventful weekend. Oof. I'm sure that you can even hear the music that's happening because Caravana is all around us right now. So we went to the Stack Market. We both have never been there before, so that was super neat to see over there. And there was some fun art. We had some yummy tacos, and then of course we had to have some ice cream. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here though, but I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!